If you're tired of all the hassle that comes with implementing constant updates on your Windows 11, or you want to break free from the Windows ecosystem and switch to the ever-growing world of Linux, I have compiled 5 of the best Linux distros that are worth checking out right away. First, I must warn you that Linux has matured over the years into a versatile and user-friendly alternative to Windows, thanks to guys like this. So, whether you intend to use it for gaming, development, or day-to-day work at the office, there's a Linux distro out there just for you. Coming up at number 5 is Manaro. This is an open source distro based on Arch Linux, designed for ease of use because it removes much of the complexity associated with Arch. It takes the raw power and flexibility of Arch Linux and makes it more accessible to a greater audience. It offers 3 main desktop environments: XFCE, KDE Plasma, and GNOME, so you can choose one that suits your style. Manaro is a rolling release, which means you get the latest software updates as soon as they're available. This open source OS comes in different versions suitable for home and business use. You're sure to be provided with first-class services for business and IT. For newbies, the Manaro community is also active and welcoming, making it easy to find help if you need it. Next, at number 4, is Fedora. Sponsored by Red Hat, Fedora is a polished, easy-to-use operating system for PCs. It comes with a set of developer tools, making it a great choice for developers. Fedora uses GNOME as its default desktop environment, but you can download a Fedora spin if you prefer an alternative desktop environment, such as KDE Plasma or XFCE. It's also a great choice for developers because it includes a lot of the latest tools and programming languages out of the box. Plus, Fedora is known for its strong commitment to open source software, making it a good choice for those who value software freedom. It's regularly updated, so you'll always have access to the latest features. Fedora is particularly attractive to developers due to its close relationship with upstream projects and focus on security. Fedora comes in different editions: Fedora Workstation, Fedora Server, Fedora Internet of Things, Fedora Cloud, and Fedora Core OS. Moving on to number 3. If gaming is your priority, then PopOS, developed by System76, must be on your menu. This distro is specifically designed for developers and gamers. With built-in tools for managing graphics drivers, PopOS is optimized for performance, making it ideal for resource-intensive applications. Plus, PopOS is designed for fast navigation and easy workspace organization. With this OS, you're sure to discover more than meets the eye. Pop features Cosmic, a new desktop environment that brings new functionalities, refinements, core apps, stability, security, and performance to Pop users everywhere. Equip yourself with a Dark Lord level of power at your fingertips by using keyboard shortcuts to perform operations like moving or resizing windows, launching apps, and more. System76 hardware and PopOS are designed in synergy for optimal performance and work experience. At number 2, we have Linux Mint. This distro is often recommended for users switching from Windows because it provides a very familiar interface. The Cinnamon desktop is intuitive and customizable, so you can make it feel just like your Windows environment. Linux Mint comes fully equipped with the apps most people need. For instance, productivity tools like the LibreOffice suite and multimedia players like Spotify and Blender for graphic design are among the 60,000 software packages available at your disposal. The Update Manager is also straightforward, ensuring your system remains secure without too much hassle. If you're looking for a smooth transition, Mint is a fantastic option. One amazing thing about Linux Mint is the fact that it is completely free of charge, and you could even run it alongside Windows if you wish. So why wait? Download, install it right away, and start living your dreams. And finally, in the first place, we've got Ubuntu. Ubuntu is one of the most popular Linux distros out there. It is the first pick for organizations to support their software infrastructure. Developed by Canonical, Ubuntu is the modern, open-source operating system for the enterprise server, desktop, cloud, and Internet of Things. Companies engage Canonical to drive down open-source costs. Based on Debian, all of the additions can run either as a base OS, on a PC, or on a virtual machine. Be sure to receive quality upgrades released every 6 months. Plus, Canonical provides security updates and support for each release. Ubuntu comprises the latest applications, libraries, and toolchains. It is a primary platform for all major IDEs, game development tools, and AI or ML software. Ubuntu's community is huge, meaning you'll find plenty of tutorials and forums if you run into any issues. Plus, with regular updates and a long-term support option, you can count on stability and security. Whether you're into gaming, programming, or just browsing the web, Ubuntu has the software you need. Ubuntu also supports older machines. For this, you could consider lightweight versions like Xubuntu or Lubuntu. They're smaller, but still maintain the stability and support Ubuntu is known for. That's it, friends. Each of these distros is worth checking out as you dive into the world of Linux. If you enjoyed this visual tour of some of the most eye-catching Linux distributions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on the latest in tech and software.